Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hard reset VIVO S17. And to do this, first let's open our settings, then locate your account, and I strongly recommend to log out all of your Google accounts because you might encounter a problem when you set up this device again, or if you're selling your phone, then they will ask for your Google password. So I strongly recommend to do it. When it's ready, then go back and go for the system. Here select reset options, and now we can go for erase all data, factory reset. Click on it and then confirm to erase all data. Unlock your phone like this and erase all data. And now the factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.